Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Office U Executive Engineer PHE Maukurwat Division haka arpulai terik ulber ajak pun Rio ka lapun ke buram ya ki laingut ki Rio Shimet na ki light lagi senong ka Southwest ka Sales District ki ba lawan rak buram ya ka district lingba ka jingyok pediang jongki ya ki kusnam nak Sarkar India haka Jal Mohotsov araja pun Rio ke balalong han New Delhi haka khatwai terik ulber ajak pun Rio ka kong Elita Mary Lingdo nak senong Jasher kalayo ya ka kerdan baningkong na pedang ki kintai lingba ka jing tebet ban letes ya ka lingba ka FTK ban pentikna ba ka bam umdi ka long ka bakhut ha ka snong ka thau uba spilan jerwa ubadai menteri snong jong ka snong pendan diwa ulayo ya ka kerdan baningkong menteri ubat tibet bat shimkya kumno ban peniat baik ya ka skim Jal Jeevan Mission hapo ka snong kat ba Archimedes nong rem ubadai menteri snong jong ka snong nong deu saw ula syapin ko buram ha kerdan ka baar hadian ba ka snong nong deu saw kalayo ya ka bam umdi baro arp saw kenta hagini ka sngi ka opes ka lapun kut ru ya ka Jal Mohotsov ka barasdang nadu ka pratrik ulber aja pun Rio bata ka cu ka por larakhi ya ka World Water Day ha ka balawan mengishimenta daki dikhot jong ki Village Water and Sanitation Committee jong ka Maukurwat Batranikor CNRD Block ha ka jingalang la sam iki kusnam syaki nyot lagi snong ki bayo ya ka jing itu kum ka har ghar Jal Village.
Kidong saw, but cuma kadai editan dari Indo naka Shong Jasya. Te kadai begitu imemba nak beng sanmut itu kiba de yaka cintas curu kadai di balayo ban present nak benta kani ke program Jal Mohotsov kepala penong hapo New Delhi hapo kadai dari Jong March baru aku menitu ibi ba ni apo ka jela ka Meghalaya layo sport li kisnong ban receive ya kanik award na president jong ka India te menjuru ngidon langut na po ka district jongi ban present nak benta kanika national award but pangin layo receive ru hak te ka kadwe dari jong banai match po Delhi kini kisnong kidong po kada liwa ngata po nong dosaw menjuru mengai pui kintai balai ka few testing kits dipanggil ayo ban lejte te semua ai ka jing kublai ya kan office kepala lawan ong ba kala take care yangi bat menjuru ai kala pengin yo ban lej hakateka kan yo ban pedang kan award.
And also I would like individuals or three awardee from our district. That is, one is from Jasher for the outstanding performance in demonstrating of FTK. So just now she had presented us about her achievement. And also I would like to thank another headman, two headmen from Pendel Diwa and also from Nongdao South. There are three of us from our district who had received the award from the national celebration of the Jal Muhammad Saf. So I would like to thank for them for their outstanding achievement of this award from our districts. So thank you so much for their contributions. And it is really a pride from our district, because in our state there are 10 villages who had received the award during the celebration of the Jal Mahotsav in Delhi. So out of 10 villages in our Meghalaya state, 3 villages we have received from our districts.
To be a part of the celebration of Jal Mahotsav and Jal Arpan Diwas. And as we all know that water is it's not just a basic necessity, but it's a foundation of life, health, and also sustainable development. And through the observation of this Jal Arpan Diwas, it reminds us of our shared responsibility to protect, conserve, and also respect the invaluable resources in our district. And therefore, the government of India, through Jal Jeevan Mission, envisioned a future where every household will have access to safe and adequate water drinking. And this is not just only about the building of or laying down of pipes or building of infrastructure, but also about giving dignity, respect, and the quality of life and equity, especially to women and children who have been the burden for water collection. And not only that, but we can see in our districts the commendable work and effort done by PHE department and other stakeholders in ensuring that every household have the access to safe and adequate drinking water. And like I said, it's not just only about laying down of pipes or building infrastructure, but also about the community participation, awareness, and also about the shared responsibility and working towards and for the water sustainable management. And like I said, the water is the basic necessity, and we also have to reaffirm ourselves to conserve the water that we have and to preserve the very resources that we have in our districts, and also to protect and keep our resources safe so that every household will have access to safe drinking water.
Katang jonga dari baar Archimedes ngrem ngadai rui Sherman jongka WWSC nong dapsau teleng ba kani kapor ngai koblai api kum press balau wan ban interview yang akani kapor te ka bental ni kapoin ke ba ngani thu api leng ba kani kapor kalong ba haswa bangin yo ya kani ka national award leng ba naka presiden jong kari India kalabu yang sibon kijing namar ngi haban penbiang yaki kendon kumba ka sorkar kala pa engi ban penbiang yaki jindon kam ke bedai hapo snong te lembah kani kapor kapan pau kijing ai kublai ya ka PHE department jongka Mokerwat subdivision kumju ru ya isar kenong sau ibalong i jongka PHE kumju ru ya KGE bat ya kista borok badeleng ba jongki kebalawan ra yang ibangin yo ya kani ka national award na ka presiden jong kari India bat hakum kata kapor kebangi ngi klempoi perkat AA henry na kaliang jongki kila pentiu bayangi ba ngilishim ya katai ka award na ka presiden jong kari India bat kaburom kalong ya ka shunong bat ya ka WWSC kala long kakti kamuan kakti kadiang nagumta banyo ya kani kawat bat kumju ru ya ki long kemi sangut ki long kemi ki bala don menta ban tes ban submit ya ka report ban kajing tes shisin shi kota
ngadai mbak 9 jerwa ngalong ru menteri Senong jongka Senong Pandiwa Parhaga juga por ngadai ru Charman jongka WWC jongka tugas Senong Hagalantia jong kajing pentri ya keneka skim JJM kaba la sanction lingba ka sarkar India rengkat ketilang jong ka division jong ka PHE makurwa keneka skim kelarung apa isnong kathau ke jangi hakapasdang nakaleng jong ki pa jong isnong ki sunglumar hakapade bak keneka skim namar kumno la ban ai kita ki tap haman lagi longjing rei hadin bang layo man pentrei yang nek skim dag jing trelang jongi kum ka WWSC ringkat bat kaneka division jongka mau kerwat hawa pentrei yang nek skim kelong ka basa iso bat kum ta ki pajba jong snong keladap da ka jing sngo hun haba kelayo ya kene kaskim kebakar pang kaba la sanction lamang haman lagi tluying aspen kan mau kendiat aspen pau kalong ba kipor ki ba mensua kadon kejing jenjar ha ka baki prieu jok nasionong ki haban leitong kham sa jingai na kejing sam namar 4 biang ya kitab haman lagi longjing habalawan kene skim JJM lalong kejing ku ke bakrau na kabanta kelong sam namar ba man la kawe pakawei kalong jing keladon lagi tap lagi umkor bat ke umkor ka biang ba hapo kasnong kejongi te ling ba kene ka skim ngisku ban ai kublai kerpang na kabanta i prime minister ban prom jengi Iran Rapundi bat kum juru na kabanta kene ka division PHE makurwa kabala page benia batla pentrei dikena naga benta kendika skim bat kelong ke jimentoy bakrau naga benta ki pai nang snong te na kaleng jonga kum nanglam chong snong ana sukemen bagai kublai kerpang naga benta isa iba ladan bentalang naga benta ke jungi bat ba page ru naga benta ke jing pitjing biang bat ke jimentoy bakrau naga benta ka snong ka thau hi barok we ngi ya kendika award naga presiden jongkari India ka jongiru kadai lingba ka jingtrei ratba jong i sar nong pesau ringkat ka jingtelang ka jongi kum ka WWSC naga takadaw ngi sayo banshim malaysim ya kanek award naga presiden jongkari India tengi ai kublai kerpang naga banta kanek office kabala itu naga banta kasnong jongi bakalong kasnong kabiet kabiang naga banta ken kam jong ka te naklagi jonga ngaso ba kita ki jing penseu ki jonga halor kane ka JJM kabalong ka jing bentoy bakrau naga banta kasnong ka jongi
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा. अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।